Product type: Iris USA 25 pounds to 12.75 quarts, 3.1 gallons airtight pet food storage container, gray. Feature list: Airtight pet food container is the ideal solution for storing dog or cat food, other pet food, and more. Pet food bins have airtight seals and snap lock latches to keep out moisture and pests for secure dry food storage. 12.75 QT storage containers provide plenty of food storage room. BPA-free airtight storage bins have wide top access for easy scooping and cleaning. Dimensions: 11.62 inches L by 9.07 inches W by 12.40 inches H. Description: Introducing the Iris USA Airtight Pet Food Storage Container, specifically designed with your pet in mind. This container is the perfect solution for storing dog food, cat food, or any other type of pet food you may have. With its airtight seals and snap lock latches, this container ensures that your pet's food remains fresh and free from pests. Its spacious 12.75 QT capacity provides ample room to store a substantial amount of food. The BPA-free material guarantees that your pet's food is stored safely and securely. The wide top access allows for easy scooping and cleaning, making it convenient for everyday use. Not only is this container suitable for storing pet food, but it can also be used for various other purposes such as storing leashes, toys, pellets, grains, bird seeds, cat litter, or even charcoal. The versatility of this airtight pet food container makes it a functional addition to any area of your home. Rest assured knowing that this container is made in the USA, ensuring high quality and durability. Product information: Product type: Iris USA 25 pounds to 12.75 quarts, 3.1 gallons airtight pet food storage container, gray. Short link: https://amzn.to/47 is click.